Hello, baby. Hey, baby.
Hey, baby.
Hi.
Hi, mommy and
Nah.
Nah.
Yeah. What's your name? My name is Naya. My favorite food is egg. What's your favorite food? Egg.
Yes.
And then, what's the favorite color?
Toys.
Huh?
Toys.
Toys? Do you like toys?
Yes.
What toys do you like?
Yes.
What toys do you like? Do you like a doll, or do you like car, or do you like puzzle, or do you like pen? What do you like? Or do you like?
Puzzle.
Oh, do you like puzzle?
Yeah.
Yes. What puzzle do you like?
Yeah.
Do you like a frozen puzzle or Elsa and aduh?
Aku maunya mau zebra.
Oh, zebra.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. And then, what animals do you like?
Animals.
Yes, animals.
Animals. Zebra.
Oh, zebra. Do you like zebra?
Yes. Yeah.
What about giraffe? Do you like or not? Giraffe, elephant, or dog, or lion? What do you like?
Lion.
Do you like lion?
Yes. Yes.
How the sound? How the sound? Sound of lion?
Yeah. Wow.
Oh yes, you're right, baby. And then, what's the color of giraffe? What's the color of giraffe?
Coklat sama yellow.
Oh, coklat sama yellow.
Yeah.
Coklat in English is? Coklat is brown. Yes. And then, what's the color of zebra?
Zebra warnanya black white.
Yes, you're right. And then, what's the color of rock?
Brook.
Yes,
Green.
rock. Yes, you're right. Yeah, you're right, baby.
Kalau pink.
Huh?
Pink.
Oh yeah. What's the color of pig?
Pink.
Oh yes. And then, what's the color of the grass?
Red.
This
Yeah.
rumput.
Rumput.
Rumput, what's the color?
Green.
Yes. The horse eat the grass, right? Yes.
Yes.
Horse horse eat grass. And then, how about dog?
Dog.
Dog eat apa?
Dog. Brown.
Dog eatnya apa?
Dog warnanya
Enggak, dia dog makannya apa dog?
makannya rumput.
Dog masa makan rumput?
Anjing masih makan cake.
How about rabbit? What's the color of rabbit?
Rabbitnya putih.
Oh yes. In English is?
Makannya warna apa, Bu? Makannya?
Kalau rabbit makannya apa?
Makannya rumput.
No. The color of orange of vegetables. Orange. The color of orange. And like this.
This?
Okay. Rabbit eat carrot
atau rumput?
Carrots or rumput? Carrot or grass?
Yeah.
Or what? Carrot?
Carrot.
Yes. Okay, it's over for learning of animals. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.